Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. Very cool DIY of this planter here. Such a simple idea, but this absolutely looks amazing. Very cool. And then we have someone with a canister. Now this is a great way to upcycle an old can you have laying around. Turn it into something new, possibly a vase or a planter. Pencil holder it could be as well. Very nice. Oh, I like the little flowers she added in the front. And then it looks like we might have some type of mirror design DIY here. So this is a great way to repurpose some cardboard, help the environment out, repurpose, and get some recycle projects going. It's a great way to kill boredom too. Very cool mirror design. That one's pretty simple. I'd say beginner friendly. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these DIY projects, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest in home decor DIY trends. So here we have someone that looks like they're going to be doing their own lighting source here. So she's doing like the macrame technique. I see some paper palm leaves over there. She might be making like a ceiling fan or like a ceiling light maybe. Pendant light. Oh, so she just did like the light bulb with that. Okay, I thought she was gonna do something with the palm leaves, but that's, it's a pretty simple project. So it looks like someone's making several different tassels here. So we have yellow, white, green. So they're definitely doing a mirror. Oh, the color scheme is really interesting. Definitely something unique. And we have some type of crate here. Painting over it. Oh wow, they're really going in with the painting. Oh wow, that was really cool. So it looks like this person is using their glue gun to create texture with some type of vase or candle holder maybe that they're making. So they're going to spray paint this. If you guys follow this channel, you know that's like the typical go-to move when you see this type of design. Yep, so they spray painted it black and bam, beautiful candle holder. Can also double up as a vase too. This could also be like a little jar for you to put like your little knickknacks and stuff into. So many different options. Alright, so we have another vase here. Oh, they're gonna do the pebble hack. That's where you take the stones or pebbles, you glue them onto the vase, spray paint it, and make like a really nice textured design. So there we go, full texture has been added. And then they're going in with a spray paint. Oh, nice matte black. Put some pampas grass in there. Easy peasy beautiful. Love it. That's also a very beginner friendly project. So here we have another cardboard DIY. Bamboo placemat. So they're covering the box. Oh, and they're going in with this pastel tassel pom-pom thing. Oh, it's just a cute laundry basket. Or their yarn is in there. But this would be a cute laundry basket. Okay, we have 2 plates here and a bowl. Well, one plate, one bowl. Okay, 1 plate, 2 bowls, some flowers. This is like a nice little like spring project. Oh, it's a cake stand. Okay, that's different. I was not expecting that. And then we have like a frosted glass here that they did. Oh, this has to be like a lantern. Oh, they use it as a base. Very cool. And then it looks like we have some palm leaves here. The rabbit's fur, I think those are called, there in the middle. This is like a nice little piece for like the fall. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed these projects. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.